discrimination, and injustice against women isn't new in our society, but in Nigerian Northerners has become an everyday affair. On the 14th of April 2014, over 200 girls were abducted from their boarding schools by the Boko Haram insurgents. These girls were forced to renounce their religions, beaten, raped, stabbed, brainwashed, and used as objects of suicidal bombing. The future of these girls have been destroyed due to the delayed response and reaction to these anomalies. These girls and women need a platform where they can discuss anonymously without fear of objection. They need support and advice from fellow women to become determined and face whatever will come their way. These girls and women need a voice, and this voice is We World.
Based on statistics, the estimated number of smartphone users worldwide is currently about 2.1 billion. And before the end of the year 2017 is to reach 2.3 billion. By the year 2020, smartphone users worldwide is to reach 2.87 billion in estimates. More than half of these users are females. We World is a smartphone app that links women worldwide. Our app is going to serve as a point of refuge and a medium of support for women who fall victims of violence against the female population. It would also serve as a means of awareness and distribution of gender equality, thereby empowering women to stand firm beside its male counterpart population.
The world is considered as a global village. Time and distance are no longer obstacles when it comes to information and communication. The aim of We World is to use this information and communication technology to connect women and girls to one another as one global community. Our team intends to provide a platform for women who are victims of misrepresentation of women's rights. We will also use our app as a means of communication to combat cultural practices that oppresses women, such as widowhood practices, female genital mutilation, empower girls and women to have control over their sexuality, challenge stereotypes in paid employment, promote male responsibility in fatherhood, promote girl education, combat violence against women, promotes women's participation in governance, and challenging neoliberalism and fundamentalism. This will stop all forms of discrimination against women and girls everywhere, eliminating all these harmful practices such as female genital mutilation, also enhancing the use of technology, in particular information and communication technology, to promote empowerment for women.
Apps like Smart Women and Women Empowerment Expo offer similar services as We World. However, We World is far more superior, for it offers a unique way to inspire and empower women and girls in their community.
We have several plans for the expansion of our app. First of all, we will have 3 different language converters: Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. Later, we will have up to 10 different languages. Also, we will have a guidance and counseling section, whereby girls and women can report a case and will be directed to a counselor near their location.
However, we plan to launch our app by June. This should have been accomplished when we have upgraded the app with other interesting and unique components. Finally, we plan to create an iOS version of the app. For us, equality means inclusion. For us, equality means an equal playing field for all. So, join We World to promote an inclusive and equal playing field for all.